One quiet spring morning, I was walking through the park when I heard a soft sound, a faint flutter of wings. Looking closer, I saw a tiny bird tangled in a piece of string on the ground. He was scared, struggling to move. I slowly knelt down, speaking softly so he wouldn't panic. With careful hands, I untangled the string from his small legs. For a moment, he stayed there, resting in my palm, as if deciding whether to leave. Then, with a sudden flap, he soared into the bright blue sky. I stood there watching until he disappeared among the trees. That morning, I learned something. Sometimes setting someone free is the greatest act of love.